Practice set 17. We have learned the property of what? Supplementary angle. What is the property of supplementary angle? If the sum of the measures of two angle is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angle. Supplementary angle में दो एंगल का मेजर, उसका सम कितना होना चाहिए, टोटल कितना होना चाहिए, 180 डिग्री. Then it is known as supplementary angle. So your question is what? Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. One angle is given 15 degree and we have to find the other one, and the sum of the measure of two angle is what? 180 degree. So we use the property of the supplementary angle. So see here, first one is what? 15 degree. First we will what? Write this line. Let the supplementary angle be x. One is given and the next one is what? X. That means we have to find this one. So here I have written the property of supplementary angle. The sum of the measures of two supplementary angle is 180 degree. Is that clear? Then 15 is given. 15 plus second angle is what? We have measured x. So 15 plus x is equals to 180 degree. We need to find this one. So we will remove this 15 from here too and we will shift here. So 15, it will be in which form? Minus form. When it comes here, it will be in minus form. So 180 minus 15. 180 minus 15 is what? 165. So x is equals to 165 degree. Therefore, the measure of the supplement of an angle of 15 degree is 165 degree. At the end, you have to write the measure of the supplement of an angle of 15 degree. यानी इसका जो supplementary angle है वो क्या आया है? 165 degree. Second, see the second one, you have to do it by your own. I have explained this one. Same thing you have to do in this. All these questions are same, but I am going to do this one 0 degree. Second one is what? Sixth one 0 degree. ये सब आप खुद कर सकते हो. Here 0 degree. Again we have to write what? Let the supplementary angle be x. What? Here what we have done? 15 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Same thing here we have to do. 0 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Then we need to find this x. Then 180. ये 0 यहाँ पे प्लस में, इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस 0. And you all know, and here we have not written the property of supplementary because we know the sum of the measure of the two supplementary angle is 180 degree. So 180 minus 0. So 0 में से कोई भी number plus or minus होगा, it should be, the number will be that only. So x is equals to 180. Is that clear? So at the end what you have to write? The measure of the supplement of an angle of 0 degree is 180 degree. See. Next is what? Seventh one. A degree. What we will do? Let the supplementary angle be x. So it means what? A plus x is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because the sum of the measure of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. So now what we will do? X ऐसे ही रहेगा. Then 180 degree. Here A is what? It will be in what? Sorry, A degree. 180 डिग्री माइनस a डिग्री. ये प्लस में तो यहाँ पे आके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 180 डिग्री माइनस a डिग्री. दिस इज योर आंसर. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The measure of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angle. Here some of the measures of the angles are given and we have to see the pairs, which is the complementary and which is the supplementary. So students, we all know very well what is complementary. The two measures of the angle, sum of the two measures angle is what? It should be 90 degree. That means that will be complementary. So first we will pair the complementary angles. सबसे पहले हम लोग किसका पेयर बनाएंगे? Complementary angle का. See, first we will write like this, pairs of complementary angle. Here we are what? Doing the pairs of complementary angle. Now students, pairs of complementary angle means one angle and we have to see the next angle, and the total of that angle is what? It should be 90 degree. So here is 60 degree, and if we take this one, so 60 plus 30, 90 degree. Have you understood? So we will write what? Major angle B what? And major angle N. Why? Because major angle B is what? 60 and major angle N is what? 30. If we add this, so we will get what? 90 degree. It's just I have written. Why? Because you can understand well. ये सिर्फ मैंने ऐसे ही लिखा है ताकि आप अच्छे से समझ सको. Because you have to just see the pair. Now see the next pair. We can't take only this one. If we take this one, so we have to take this one because 90 degree is there and 0 degree. So 90 plus 0, it will be 90. So we can make this pair major angle Y and major angle E. आपको जो दो एंगल 90 डिग्री कर रहा होगा उसका पेयर बनाना है. मेजर एंगल Y एंड मेजर एंगल E. मेजर एंगल Y एंड मेजर एंगल E. टू पेयर्स हो गए. देन see here, major angle D is what? 75 degree. And major angle F is what? 15 degree. 75 plus 15, what? 90 degree. That means it is what? Pairs of complementary angle. So we will write what? Major angle D and major angle E. Got it? See here, I am writing major angle D and major angle F. Major angle F. Is that clear? Now, is that any pair which is complementary angle? No. Only this much. Now, what we will make? We will make the pair of supplementary angle. So, here you have to write pairs of supplementary angle. So what is the pairs of what is the property of supplementary angle? The sum of the measures of two angle is what? 180 degree. कोई दो एंगल का मेजर जो है वो कितना होना चाहिए? 180 डिग्री. See, if we take major angle N, major angle N is what? 30 degree and major angle J is what? 150 degree. So 30 and 150 is what? 180 degree. So major angle N and major angle J. Next pair is what? See, major angle B 60 degree and major angle G 120 degree. 60 and 120 what? 180 degree. Second pair is what? Major angle B and major angle G is equals to, only this much you have to write. And is that any pair which sums is 180 degree? So only two pairs in what? Supplementary angle, and here there are three pairs of complementary angle. Have you understood? Next, question number 3. In triangle XYZ, major angle Y is equals to 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? So for this, we have to draw the rough diagram. Okay. What? X, Y, Z. Here is asking what? Major angle Y is given and X and Z is what kind of pair? Means complementary or supplementary. So how do we find? So first we will draw the rough diagram of triangle XYZ. In XYZ, Major angle Y is given what? 90 degree. Now here see, I am making the rough diagram. X, Y, Z. Y is what? 90 degree, means right angle. It means what? The property of a triangle is what? Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It means in triangle XYZ, major angle X plus major angle Y plus major angle Z is equals to 180 degree. Why? Property of a triangle. This is the property of triangle. Sum of the angles of sum of the measure of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here Y is given. So major angle X plus Y is given what? 90 degree plus major angle Z is equals to 180 degree. Now what we will do? Major angle X plus major angle Z is equals to 180 then minus 90. So major angle X plus major angle Z is equals to 90 degree. Students, see here, major angle X plus major angle Z is equals to 90 degree. Sum of the two, what? Sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree. It means it is which kind of a pair? Sum of the two angles of a what? 90 degree is complementary. Just we have read. दो एंगल का मेजर जब 90 डिग्री है, it means this is complementary angle. So at the end you have to write, therefore major angle X and major angle Z are complementary angles. Is that clear to you all? You have to do like this. See question number 4. The difference between the measures of two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of two angles. Here is what? The difference between measures of two angles. It means what? Of a complementary pair. Complementary pair means what? What? Sum of the measure of the two angles 90 degree, and here is the difference between the measure of two angles. So we have to find the measure of two angles. So first we will what do? Let the first, we don't know the first angle and second angle. Only we know the difference of 40. हम लोग को ना फर्स्ट एंगल पता है ना सेकेंड एंगल पता है, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड बोथ द एंगल्स, टू एंगल्स. सो फर्स्ट लेट द फर्स्ट एंगल बी एक्स. व्हाट वी हैव डन, हमने जो फर्स्ट एंगल क्या अज्यूम किया कि वो एक्स है, फर्स्ट एंगल, एंड द सेकेंड एंगल बी एक्स माइनस 40. वाई एक्स माइनस 40? बिकॉज हियर इज व्हाट रिटन, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मेजर ऑफ टू एंगल्स ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री पेयर इज 40. दो एंगल का डिफरेंस कितना है? 40 है. तो अगर एक x है तो दूसरा x माइनस 40 होगा. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? एक हम लोगों ने क्या अज्यूम किया? x, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज व्हाट? x माइनस 40, बिकॉज हियर इज रिटर्न डिफरेंस. इट मीन्स x माइनस 40. दोनों एंगल के मेजर्स में डिफरेंस कितने का है? 40 का है. सो लेट द फर्स्ट एंगल बी x एंड द second angle be x minus 40. Is that clear? Now, what we will do? The measure of the what? Sum of the measure of two angle is 90 degree in complementary angle, because here is complementary angle. So, first angle is what? X, right? Plus, second angle is what? We have assumed x minus 40. So what? X minus 40 is equals to what? 90 डिग्री. Why? हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा है कि जो 90 डिग्री है कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल के दो एंगल का मेजर, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल में दो एंगल का मेजर का टोटल कितना होता है? 90. तो फर्स्ट एंगल ये, सेकेंड एंगल ये. सो फर्स्ट एंगल प्लस सेकेंड एंगल x माइनस 40 इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. सम ऑफ द मेजर ऑफ टू एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. Is that clear? First angle x and second angle x minus 40 and उन दोनों का total. Now we will open the bracket. X plus x minus 40 is equals to what? 90. X plus x 2x minus 40 is equals to 90. Now 2x, this 40 minus 40, it will come here. So it will be plus 40. So 90 plus 40. 2x is equals to 90 plus 40 what? 130, right? Then x is equals to 2 is here in which form? Multiplication form. When it comes here, it will be divide. So 130 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 6s are 12. 1 is remaining, then 2 5s are 10. So x is equals to what? 65 degree. This x is means what? First angle. What we have assumed? First angle be x. So we have known what? First angle is 65 degree. Now second angle. Second angle is what? Minus 40. Now we will substitute the value of x. This one 65 minus what? 40. So 65 minus 40 is what? 25 degree. So what are the two angles? Therefore, the measures of two angles are what? 65 degree and 25 degree respectively. When you add these two angles, 65 and 25, you will get this one, 90. Is that clear? Write it in your notebook. Now see question number 5. What? Quadrilateral P, T and M is a rectangle. This is what? Rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angle. Here right angle figure is drawn. P, T, M, N. This is what? Rectangle. Rectangle. And we have to write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. Pairs of supplementary angles. So what will be the supplementary angle? Two angles, measure of two angles is what? 180 degree. But we all know in the rectangle, all angles are of 90 degree each. Rectangle में हर एंगल कितने डिग्री का होता है? 90 डिग्री. P also 90 degree and M 90 degree, N 90 degree, T 90 degree. Clear? So P, T, M, N. In rectangle, all angles are of 90 degree each. So let's start. See here. First we have to write what? In rectangle, all angles are of 90 degree each. So we have to make the pairs of supplementary angle. So first if we take angle P, अगर ये 90 का है तो हम कोई भी पैर इसका ले सकते हैं. एंगल P and एंगल T. This is 90 and this is 90. Supplementary angle का पैर हो गया. Understood? So angle P and angle T. Then we will take angle T, angle N. angle T and angle N. Then angle N and angle M. Angle N and angle M. Angle M. Then angle M, angle P. Angle M and angle P. Then we can pair what? Angle P and angle N. ये भी 90-90 है, right? Angle P and angle N. Then angle M and angle T. Angle M and angle T. These are the pairs of supplementary angles. Have you understood? See question number 6. If major angle A is equals to 70 degree, what is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? अगर मेजर एंगल A 70 डिग्री है तो उसका सप्लीमेंट ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट, मतलब उसी का सप्लीमेंट्री भी पूछ रहा है और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी पूछ रहा है. Have you understood? What is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? See, first we will find out the complement angle. So let the complementary angle of this angle be x. It means what? 70 plus x is equals to 90. Why 90? Because complementary angle. So 70 plus x is equals to 90 degree. X is there. Then 90 minus 70. X is equals to what? 20. So what is the supplement of complement is this angle? 20. Complementary angle इसका क्या है? 20. Now we will find supplement of complement of angle A. This complement, इस complementary का हम लोग जो है वो supplement मालूम करेंगे. So angle A is equals to supplement angle what? 180 degree. Means 180 minus 20. Got it? 180 minus 20. So we will get 160. Understood? So this is the angle A is 160 degree. This is what? Supplement of complement. Supplement of complement. And this is complement of supplement. Then answer is what? Supplement of the complement of angle A is equals to 160 degree. Here is asking what? Only we have to find the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A. Now next one, last one. If angle A and B are supplementary angles and major angle B is equals to x plus 20, then what would be the major angle A? These are what? Supplementary angle. And angle B is given and we have to find out angle A. So what we will do? First we will write the property what? The sum of the measure of the two angles is 180 degree in supplementary angle, right? So major angle A we have to find out and major angle B is given x plus 20. So here I have written x plus 20 instead of B is equals to 180 degree. Now major angle A, now I have opened this bracket. Major angle A plus x plus 20 is equals to 180. Major angle A plus x. This 20 will be in what? Minus. 180 minus 20. So major angle A plus x is equals to 180 minus 20 is what? 160. Now we have to find out this one. So major angle A is equals to 160. This plus x will be here. It will be minus x. So 160 minus x degree. Have you understood? So we get major angle A is equals to 160 minus x degree. I hope you all have understood. Write it in your notebook and complete it. I have done all the questions from question number 2 to 7 and only this one is your homework. So students, complete it in your notebook. This is for your practice and whatever I have explained. So you have to do the practice of all the questions. Thank you.